But that's for her. Even I told her, don't do that because I'm already abroad that time. I was already a singer. I said, I give you money every month, but still she wants to do it. So I just said, okay. She's very hardworking. And now I understand. When I became a mom, I understand that, yeah, it's not easy when you are just at home. That's not me. I cannot do that. I cannot just stay in bed all the time and then, be social media. No, I cannot. That's why I'm just trying to show you how I live day by day. Yes, I am doing live, but I don't really care about the live if someone is watching or not. I will be focused to my thing. I'll just put the live because I wanted to. Before I really wanted to be monetized here on YouTube so I can earn money, for my kids, for the food. But I just feel like I don't know if I can make it because it's not easy to gain what's ours, guys. So